I'm very happy to announce that this parish, where I am a parish priest of St. Francis Xavier Church in Boring, Ponda, want to celebrate the birthday of St. Francis Xavier. We are in the Jubilee year, and so we thought we will celebrate his birthday, which happens to be on 7th April. And this 7th April 2025, we want to have the celebration with a difference. The difference that we are bringing in for this birthday is to bring Goincha Sahib in its fullness in paintings. When we paint Francis Xavier, usually he is painted as a Spanish missionary, foreigner. And for us Goans, we have moved beyond that legacy of St. Francis. And we have almost internalized him as Goincha Sahib. When I pray or go to him in devotion, I don't even get that image that he is an outsider. He is an insider. He is our own. And that is the reason we want to do paintings in the alphabets of Goans, the hues and the shades of Goa. And Goincha Sahib, Goincha Karan. Goincha Sahib in the hues and shades of Goa. This is the theme of the exhibition. The exhibition will be inaugurated on 7th and will be there for another 7 days in Bori Church. We have planned to make it a traveling exhibition, just like Francis Xavier also is a missionary. We have many churches dedicated to St. Francis Xavier in Goa, as well as there are chapels. So in case we get invited, we will put up those paintings there for a day or two for exhibition in those particular churches, so that people who live with their faith as very closely with St. Francis Xavier as their patron, it would be nice to also bring those type of exhibitions or that exhibition in those areas. Now, while we are planning, it's important that we also get all the artists of all walks of life, whether Christians, Hindus, even Muslims, Goans especially. We are inviting them, and we are writing a contract with them. We will give them the, what do you call that, canvas, and same canvas, same size, and we will also give them a seed money of 5,000 each artist. Now, the idea is to make Goincha Sahib, Goincha Angrupan. And if we do that, I think we may create history, because so far we have not painted St. Francis Xavier as a Goan. We have painted him, we have titled him Goincha Sahib. Painting is another alphabet, and just like I use words, I can use alphabets of paintings. So that's the reason this idea has come up, and we are trying to call all the devotees, people of goodwill, and also Goan Catholics who have great devotion to St. Francis Xavier, to visit this place during these days and experience the paintings of artists. Now, since we have a economic need to host this event, I am actually looking forward for help from all people without any reservation. One important thing that we have decided is to give 5,000 to every artist and 1,000 for that so-called sheet on which it is painted. So canvas, we need a canvas, and 1,000 it is coming to, my curator has tried to find out in Panjim in 2 shops, and we got it, that is 1,000. So we are trying to give that to each artist. Besides, I'm dreaming and praying also about it, and asking St. Francis Xavier also to pray. I want local children, small artists, budding artists, to be part of this exhibition. And so I want my small children here in the parish and around, like I'm in closer to Panchwadi, Shiroda, Ponda, Lotoli, Raya. And I'm going to meet those priests and try to encourage artists who are not specialists, who are not gone to art college and studied, but these artists also budding, let them grow along with this event. Along with them, they also will imagine how they can paint Francis Xavier like a god. So this is my dream and the dream of our parish, to make Goincha side logically go on, fully go on, at least in painting, not just in words. So Goincha side, Goincha आकारान मुखार व्हरया. आणि ह्या कारणाक लागून हांव तुमचो आदार मागूंक सोदतालो. ताची बर्थडे करूंक आमी 7 एप्रिल ताची बर्थडे करतले. त्याची बर्थडे एक्चुअली 7 एप्रिल आणि 7 एप्रिल आमच्या इगर्जेन 4:30 वरांचेर आमी एक्झिबिशन ओपन करूंक येवजिलां. आणि हे एक्झिबिशन वेगळेंच करूंक चिंतलां. वेगळें कित्याक आमी गोंयचो साहेब ही उतरां खूब मोगान, नम्रतायेन आणि भावार्थान, भक्तीन आमी सांत फ्रांसीस शावेराक हें दिलां टायटल. कोण हें दिलां खबर ना, पूण गोंयांत सगळ्यांक तो गोंयचो साहेब. आणि ह्या पासत उतरांनीच न्हय, आतां रंगान करया, पेंटिंगान करया, गोंयचो साहेब म्हणया. आमची पेंटिंग्स म्हणटली आतां. म्हणटच हें करपाचें मन आयलें. आणि हे आमचे पॅरिश कावन्सिल बोरेचे, आमची फिरगोस, सगळीं भाव भयणां ताची बर्थडे करतलीं. आणि तांच्या आदारानूच आनी समेस्त आमचे डिवोटीज तांच्या आदारान, कित्याक हो प्रोजेक्ट मातसो व्हडलो आसा. बिकॉज आमी आर्टिस्टांक मेळटा, आर्टिस्टांक आमचें मन दिता, मागीर आर्टिस्टांक सगळे तरेचे आर्टिस्ट जावं ते आमचे क्रिस्तांव, दुसऱ्या भावार्थाचे जावं कसले आर्टिस्ट ते आमकां. सो ते सगळे आर्टिस्ट आमकां, आनी तांचे शेगूण, तांचे गूण, तांची इकमत, क्रिएटिविटी हें आमी वॅलिडेट करूंक आनी तांकां फुडें व्हरूंक मुखार येता. पूण तांच्याच ह्या अक्षरांनी आमकां गोंयचे साहेबाक गोंयकार आकार दिवपाचें आसा. आनी गोंयचो आकार तांकां दिता तेन्ना आमी तांकां कितें तरी दिवंक सोदता. सो वी आर ट्रायंग टू, तांकांय म्हण मोस्ट ऑफ आर्टिस्ट आपलो वेळ दितलीं, आपलो टायम दितलीं, आपलो जाय तो. आनी आमच्यान कितें व्हडलें दिवंक जाता, आमी फक्त 5,000 दिवंक चिंतलें एक आर्टिस्टाक. आनी आमी सुमार 20 आर्टिस्ट, आनी त्याहून सुबीज मेळ्ळ्यार सुबीजूय सोदता. म्हणटच 20 तरी आमी आर्टिस्ट सोदता गोंयकार. ते मागीर हिंदू, क्रिस्तांव कोणीय ते जावं, ते आर्टिस्ट आमचे गोंयचे साहेबाक गोंयकार आकारान आमकां दिवपाक. आनी हो तांचे लागीं आमी कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट करतले. तुमी आमकां अमक्या दिसाक, अमक्या टायमार तुमी दिवपाचे. ते पयलीं आमी कॅनवस दिता, ते पयलीं आमी येदोडू दिता. आनी तेच भायर आमचे पब्लिसिटी जायती आहा. आतां TFRCC TV तांकां हांव देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. तेय म्हाका हो इव्हेंट पब्लीश करूंक, उजवाडांत हाडूंक, नोदरेक हाडूंक लोकांच्या इगोडनी आदार करता. म्हणटच हांव खरेंच आभारी आनी देव बरें करूं. मेलकम म्हजो इश्ट तकसेरा, तो हें फुडें व्हरतलो देखून ताकाय हांव आदींच देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. आमचे गोंयचे साहेबाचें बर्थडे करपाची परंपरा आमी सुरू करुया. आमी ताचे मरणाचो दीस करता 3 डिसेंबर, जल्माचो दीस 7 एप्रिल. आमच्या मनान धरया, आमी देवाक आर्गां दिवया. आमकां बरो भाग्योंत आमचो आस्कारी, आमकां आमचो राखणदार, आमकां राखपी आमचो गोंयचो साहेब देवान दिला. म्हणटच ह्या वर्साक तरी आमी जुबली ऑफ द आर्टिस्ट करता. सगळ्या आर्टिस्टांक सांगाता घेवन आनी बरें एक सेशन करतलें इवनिंग, उलोवपाक हें आर्ट वर्क कसो जाता, कसलीं अक्षरां, गोंयचो साहेब गोंयच्या अक्षरांनी कसो दिसता, ह्या विशीं आमी उलोवंक आनी ताचे विशीं बसाबस करूंक, अशें आमचें मातशें एकाडेमीक सेशन आसतलें. आनी त्या उपरांत एक बरी च्या दिवपाची आनी बरो इव्हेंट तो करपाचो. सो दॅट इज हाव वी आर थिंकींग अबाउट दीस इव्हेंट. आमकां बिशप तर मेळ्ळो, तो फ्री आसत जाल्यार आमी तांकांय आपयतले हांव इनॉग्रेट करूंक. अजून आमचे सगळें थाऱ्यार पडोंक ना. जशें आमी चिंता आनी सगळ्यांक आयकता, आमची भाव भयणां आयकतात, बुद्धी दितात, त्या प्रमाणे फुडें वता. म्हणटच वी आर सिनडल, सगळ्यांक सांगाता वचपाची, तुमी आमचे बराबर येवची. तुमी संवसारांत खंय आसो आमकां आदार करचो, मागणी करची आमच्या ह्या इव्हेंटा खातीर. आनी तेच बरोबर फूल ना पाकळी तुमच्यान दिवं येता ते आमच्या ऑफिसांत येवन दिवचे. आनी हे भशेन आमी तुमचे उपकारी हो इव्हेंट फुडें व्हरपाक